Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to show or hide inbox tabs in Gmail. If your inbox feels cluttered or you would like to simplify the layout, adjusting which tabs appear can really keep things tidy and focused. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on your desktop browser. Next, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open your settings. From the drop down, choose See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings panel where you can make detailed changes. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see a row of tabs across the top. Click on the one labeled Inbox. This section controls how your inbox is organized. Now, under the inbox type, make sure you are using the default inbox layout. Just below that, you'll see checkboxes for different categories like primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. To hide a type, simply uncheck the box next to it. For example, if you don't want the promotion tab, just uncheck it and it will disappear from your inbox view. To show it again at any time, simply revisit this section anytime and recheck the box again. Once you are happy with your selections, scroll down and click the Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and your inbox will now display on all the categories you have chosen to keep. Keep in mind that hiding a tab doesn't delete any emails. Everything remains accessible via search or via re-enabling the tab later. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you have cleaned your Gmail inbox and tailored it to suit your workflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.